Hey Mustang owners, this is Ryan with True Motorsports, and today we got a perfect product for you. Today we're adding to our VooDoo booster product, we're adding a plug and play harness for your voltage booster for your fuel system. This is a nice plug and play system that then takes your existing wire harness, plug it from your fuel pump driver module and plug this device in. What the VooDoo booster does is it takes your normal 14 volts going to your fuel pump driver module and boosts this up to 18 volts. Typically, whenever you're adding power to these S550 Mustangs, you need to have a fuel system that can deliver more fuel. And the cheapest option is to go out and get a voltage booster for your fuel pump. So that's why we created the voltage booster, which is one of the most efficient and affordable voltage boosters for your fuel pump on the market. And now with the plug and play harness, it's simple. You can install this in less than 10 minutes. So go out to VooDooBooster.com and get yours.